Okay, so this video will describe issues with the rate function and how to circumvent them. So in this particular problem, we have weekly payments of $750 that we're going to receive for 20 years in retirement. We'll have 5% rate of return in retirement. And at the end, we'll still have $200,000 left in the account. So when we do the initial calculation to get the nest egg, we take the present value of the rate and we divide the rate by, make it weekly, periodic rate. The number of periods is also periodic, so it's 52 times 20. We have the the payment and then the future value. So suppose we're trying to figure out, okay, maybe I have 40,000 today. I'm going to make weekly deposits of $75 for 30 years. So what will my rate of return need to be before retirement in order to achieve this future value? Well, normally what you would do is you would once again use the rate function, and the number of periods is 1560 this time because it's C2 times C1. The payment is negative 75. We have 40,000 already in the account, and it's going to accrue to $566,527.38. And on the outside of the rate function, to make it annual, we multiply by C1, which is number of periods, N per Y. Well, we can see here that we get a num error. When this happens, how do we deal with this? So you could use a financial calculator or in Excel. What I have done over here to the right is I have set up kind of a balance sheet in terms of what's going on in your bank account. So at time zero today, you have $40,000, and then I'm going to use this to keep up my balance. So after year one, I deposit $75, and I wind up with 40,000 times 1 plus the interest rate, which initially we'll set that to 0. I'll change that in a second. And then I add to that whatever I get in that particular period. For this particular row, I then anchor this because I now have a balance that I'll reference here. And then I add to it the $75 for each week. And then we can send that down. This is 0. And then the 1, 2 here. We're going to have to do this for 1,560 periods, I believe. So with an interest rate of 0, we only have 157,000, but the target is actually going to be the 566,527.38. How do we get that? Well, I could sit here all day and change the numbers, or what I can do, I can go to Data, What If Analysis, Goal Seek, and I'm going to set this value to be equal to so I can remember it. I'm just going to copy and paste this number. It's so far down below. There we go. Paste special values. There we go. All right. So what if goal seek? I'm going to set this cell to be equal to 566, 527, 38. And we're going to do that by changing, go back up here to the rate in this cell, click OK, and it will calculate for us. And then now we've got the number to get the final answer. And multiply this by 52 to make it an annual rate, and we get the solution of 5.98%.